Dallas County Fiber is here, offering true fiber-to-the-home internet with unmatched 99.9% uptime. Go faster for less, with no contracts and no commitment. This exclusive launch promo for Dallas County includes your first month free, slashed promo rates for 4 months, and 0 install or equipment fees. Experience blazing fast parallel speeds without the upfront financial strain. Choose your speed and lock in your savings with promo rates for the first 4 months. Options range from 100 megabits for $40 per month to 1 gigabit for $60 per month, meeting various household needs. Stay connected without the strain. If you qualify for SNAP or EBT benefits, we are applying a permanent $30 per month discount on top of our new promotional pricing. The free installation window is closing. Government installation credits expire on the deadline of July 15th. Lock in your $0 install fee, first month free, and 4-month slashed pricing before government funding runs out. Secure your promo rate today. Call 4178-511-700. Our expert team is located right here in Springfield, Missouri, offering real people and real solutions.